Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I'm Smera Ilyas from EBSEX Rabat with new lesson of English language for class 5. Today's lesson is paragraph writing. So let's start and try to learn what is paragraph. My dear students, we are commonly asked to write a paragraph. To write a strong paragraph, we must try to know that what is paragraph and what steps we must keep in mind while writing a paragraph. So let's try to learn first that what is paragraph. A paragraph is a group of sentences that focuses on single idea. In order for a paragraph to be effective, it must begins with topic sentence, have sentences that support the main idea. It must have conclusion. All information and details in paragraph that must correlate with each other and support the main idea. A paragraph must have topic sentence, supporting sentences, and concluding sentence. These things make our paragraph strong and interesting. My dear students, here I have mentioned paragraph is just like a hamburger. I know that there is a question in your minds that how paragraph symbolizes hamburger. So let's try to learn that how paragraph symbolizes hamburger. When writing a paragraph, think of a hamburger. Hamburgers have many different components to make a complete hamburger. If you can keep the hamburger method in mind while writing a paragraph, you can be a successful paragraph writer. How? Look at the diagram, parts of a paragraph. How parts of paragraph symbolize the elements of the hamburger. First, top bun, meat, cabbage, cheese, tomato, onion, and bottom bun. Look at the diagram. Here the topic sentence is just like a top bun. Meat, cabbage, and cheese are supporting details or supporting sentences. Tomato, onion, and tomato ketchup are just like vocabulary, colorful vocabulary. And last, bottom bun is just like concluding sentence. When these ingredients compile, that make a very delicious and tasty hamburger. The same case with a paragraph. When we compile all parts of paragraph together, while writing a paragraph, when we keep in mind topic sentence, supporting details, colorful vocabulary, and concluding sentence, these things make our paragraph more interesting and strong. So let's try to learn the steps of writing paragraph. Steps for writing a paragraph. The topic sentence tells the reader the main idea of the paragraph. Supporting sentence 1 gives specific details relating to main idea. Supporting sentence 2 gives other specific details relating to the topic or main idea. Supporting sentence 3 gives more specific details relating to the main idea or topic. Vocabulary increases the beauty of the text or of your paragraph. Conclusion sentence sums up the main idea. My dear students, always keep in mind these steps for writing a paragraph. When you all keep in mind these steps while writing a paragraph, your paragraph will be more interesting and strong. So I have given an example of paragraph. Let's move to the example of the paragraph. My dear students, there is an example of paragraph, my school. Let's start reading. My school is 10 kilometers away from my home. and I go to school by the bus every morning. I love to go to school. I learn so many new things at school every day. There are many different subjects I study at school. I study languages like Urdu and English and other subjects like mathematics, science, and social studies. My school is very beautiful. There are nice, lush gardens with beautiful plants and trees. In springtime, the blooming flowers are a spectacle. My school has a well equipped library and I enjoy reading books. There are also computers in the school for our use. I love my school and my teachers. My teachers are very caring. They teach us with a great deal of patience and they want us to become good and responsible human beings. I want to make my school and my teachers proud of me. So my dear students, you have noticed that there is no single sentence that is irrelevant. There is topic sentence, supporting sentences, and concluding sentence. All information and details talk about my school, and all details and informations correlate with each other and they support the main idea. I hope all of you have understood well that how could you write an interesting and strong paragraph. Let's move to the today's task. My dear students, today's task is write a paragraph on my favorite sport. And must follow all steps while writing a paragraph about your favorite sport. And you will have to write on loose sheets. I hope all of you have understood well what is paragraph and steps of writing a paragraph. My dear students, time has come to say thank you to all of you. Always try to learn and keep practicing. We will meet next week with new lesson, inshallah. Thank you.